Welcome to TrendFollowingTrades.com. This is the first time the upcoming Trend Following Trades Advanced Market Administrator Trading Platform Interface for NinjaTrader 7, aka TFT AMA, which is what we'll be calling from now on, the TFT AMA, is being shown traded in the live market in SIM. The TFT AMA will be available for sale by the end of January 2014. We will have a release webinar for this product with special discounts and one-time offers sometime in January. If you haven't already done so, please go to www.trendfollowingtrades.com. In the upper right-hand side of the home page, there's an email list button that will ask you to opt in to our email list of special events and upcoming webinars. We don't share this list with anybody or spam it.
Setup
It's
64.
just used for TFT announcements, trading day summaries, and webinar announcements. During the remainder of the short summarized video, you will see the right-hand side columns light up, light green for long trade setups and light red for short trade setups, according to what is taught in our members area for the chart trading package. With the TFT AMA, you can now monitor and quickly trade up to 12 markets only using one half of a 1080p monitor and using the other half of the monitor for the displaying of charts of the market that you want to look at with a full chart view. All you have to do to see these full-size charts is simply click on the very left-hand instrument cell, and that market and time frame or time frames will appear on the right-hand side of the monitor, allowing traders to get a larger view of what is happening in the market to better help determine whether or not the trade setup that has now occurred is or is not a trade setup that we would consider taking according to the teachings in the website Members Learning Center of the Chart Trading Package. Please understand that in order to utilize the TFT AMA, you must first have a complete understanding of the TFT CT, which is the Chart Trading Package. We are offering the lifetime membership for $1,900, which is a substantial discount from the selling price. Since you need to be proficient in the chart trading method, now is the best time to either purchase this TFT CT package at this discounted price, which expires at midnight Sunday, December 22nd, which is tomorrow.
Setup
And you can
EMD4.
then upgrade at any time to the corresponding TFT AMA, which will be broken and sold as three distinct categories: one for futures, one for Forex, one for stocks, ETFs, and options. You can also join through our monthly subscriptions, which is clearly laid out in the purchasing page of our website at trendfollowingtrades.com. Now, getting to the trading done with the TFT AMA this past Friday, concentrated on for 1 hour. There are many trades that were taken before this, but they were taken as every single trade setup appeared to test for complete functionality. I then concentrated on the setups that were considered valid and was able to quickly trade at a profit and finish up the day at a recommended 30 to 50 ticks or $300 to $500 per
Setup
contract trade.
4.
When these cells light up light green or red, you can simply click on these cells and either a stop limit or a stop market order will be placed in the market at the automatically calculated suggested price to get stopped into a long or short trade. If the trade is executed in, then whatever NinjaTrader 7 ATM strategy you have set for that market will be used. And with Chart Trader displayed, you can easily and quickly move your stops and targets based on adjustments that we teach you to make regarding left side support and resistance areas, as well as a complete read of the simple indicators of the Trend Following Trades chart trading package. We try to maintain a 2-to-1 or greater in-trade risk management profile. We basically use a 2 to 3 wick Renko brick stop and twice that for our first target. Remember, we only need to be right 50% of the time to make good money based on this mathematical reward to risk ratio. However, with practice and experience, the win rate percentages can be far greater than that. Please look closely at what was done to enter the trades from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern this past Friday, and in just a short time period, around 1 hour, just trading one contract, you can see how quickly we were able to reach our daily recommended profit goals. You will see more of these posts eventually being done with real money and multiple contracts as the capture trailers when the market conditions roll out. We will switch to real money trading of TFT AMA as soon as it is thoroughly tested, and we are confident that there aren't any bugs that would affect our real money accounts. Thank you, and we'll see you on our next post coming soon. If anybody has any questions or would like to take us up on the special $1,900 offer, please email us at info@trendfollowingtrades.com or call 215-909-9617, which is U.S. Eastern Standard Time, anytime, any day, as long as it's before 10 p.m. Eastern. Since we are real money traders ourselves, during the week, we usually don't respond to emails or take phone calls until after 2 p.m. Eastern, so if you call, please leave a message with your phone number and we will return your call as soon as possible. On the weekends, we take call as time allows. Please sit back and try to enjoy the rest of this 10-minute summarized video as I try to summarize by my voiceover of the silent recording what was happening in this 1 hour of trading. As you can see, we entered two trades, one on the 6A or Australian dollar and one on the YM, both long. Once the stop limit and stop market sells lit up light green, we basically clicked on the instrument to view the charts, made a decision, yeah, this is a trade we want to take. We then clicked on the corresponding stop limit or stop market sell. It put the order in for us, and if it gets executed
order pending, order filled.
Use the NinjaTrader ATM that's selected. If it doesn't get executed in and price keeps pulling back, it'll cancel
order filled
automatically. So here you go. We are actually in 3 positions long, and anytime you see that move to break even block light up with orange, that means that you're in profit, and any time you can click on that block and it will move your stop to break even. So it's a way to manage in-trade risk, and also with chart trader, again, you can use stops and targets according to left side support or resistance if you choose to. On the left-hand side of the TFT AMA, underneath the instrument
order pending
description, you'll see the P&L. If you're not in a position, it'll be closed P&L for that row. If you're in a position, it'll be the open P&L of the current position.
Order
at the bottom,
filled.
You have both the very lower left-hand block. You have at the top part of it the open P&L of all trades, a summary of all trades, and a closed P&L of all trades. You can see we're starting out basically down $165. As I was explaining earlier, I was testing all setups for functionality. We're now focusing on valid trade setups, and we'll see the results of them. There's also in the lower right-hand corner of the TFT AMA a block which we call Global Close, where when you hit that block, it closes out all the markets, flattens everything out right away. This would be used in front of a big news announcement, a big news release, if you just want to be flat before going into the news. The right-hand column are individual close buttons. Anytime it's green for long or red for short, you just click on it and it flattens your position completely. So let's take a look, and as I scroll through here, you'll see me jumping through different pages, take a look at different instruments to move my stops and targets just a little bit based upon left side support and resistance, and then eventually you'll see the trades follow through to either getting stopped out or to profit. We're only trading one contract. Normally we with multiples, taking a partial off and then trailing until it closes above or below those little dashes, or what we call stop dots. So let's move along. You will see blocks light up. You'll see
target
setup
filled.
6E or setup CL5, and that's indicating that there's a setup coming up. The blocks will light up according when you hear that. Also, you hear a little rifle sound. That's an actual
target
trade being
filled.
triggered in. And once you get that, the blocks turn from light green or light red to dark green or dark red. That means the trade's triggered in, and you could potentially be in it. I'm only taking the trades that I feel are valid setups. Notice I don't really need to pull up charts. I have a whole bunch of little mini charts inside of the TFT AMA where I can see exactly what's going on with price action in panel 1 and the TFT Momo indicator in panel 2. So I'm pretty much making all my trade decisions right from the TFT AMA. So what we're really waiting for right now, all we're really waiting for is our last position of the 6B to really get to target. I'm not going to enter any more trades at this point in time. One more winner and I will reach my daily target, which is basically I'm shooting for over $500 per contract, only trading
target
one.
Filled.
All right, so we just got our British pound. You can see we're up over $500, definitely after commissions. You can also see on the left-hand side each market what we did for the day, closed out, but at the end net we're at $532.50, not including commissions, and there's probably enough trades to bring it right around $500. So again, if anybody has any questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 215-909-9617. Email us at info@trendfollowingtrades.com. Or if you'd like to take us up on our $1,900 special offer, which is good until December 22nd midnight, which is Sunday at midnight, please email us at info@trendfollowingtrades.com or call, and we'll send you a special link for that offer. If not, just come. You can join through the purchase page and subscribe as a monthly member. Thank you very much.